All right, guys, the Anafi is gone. Okay, so I'm over here at the Ohio River, over here in Maneka at the boat landing, and right there, the bridge. And I took the Anafi over to that other bridge over there. I was going over that way. Now, I just came from those falls at that Brighton fishing park, and it was right after I did the update. I did the update this morning, and I took it over to the Brighton fishing park, and it just flew kind of weird, you know. It was just didn't seem right. And so I said, oh, maybe it's the location. So I shot over here for another flight, and it went over there. I don't know. You'll see on the screen recording. But it went over there, and it just flashed up this thing where it said it was starting to go out of the range for one thing. But it didn't, not complete. I was getting ready to turn it around, and it just said critically, I don't know, something about critical battery, auto landing. And I couldn't stop it. I just couldn't stop it from landing. It just landed right in the river. So, oh well. Hey, that's on me, man. That's the price you pay when you fly over water. So, I don't think I'm going to be getting another one of those. So, you know, I had a lot of fun with it. Made a lot of nice videos, but you know, adios amigo to the Anafi. So, see you later. Rest in peace.